We have bananas. Let's make a smoothie. Few, a few. What's the difference? Well, both of them have the same meaning. They mean a small number of something. But few means this small number is not enough. A few means it is enough. Small, but enough. Here we say, let's make a smoothie. That means that the small number of bananas we have is enough to make a smoothie. So we use a few here. We have a few bananas. Let's make a smoothie. Have you finished your homework? Yes, I finished. Yes, I have. Have or finished. Well, when you give a short yes or no answer, always use the first word in the question. Yes, I have. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. But yes, I like is wrong. Do you have a pen? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. But yes, I have is wrong. Is she coming? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. You answer this one. We can't make a cake. We have blank eggs. Few, a few. Follow this rule and answer. And remember that we can't make a cake means the eggs are not enough. Let me see your answer in the comments.